What is black hole? A black hole is an astronomical object with an extremely strong gravitational pull, so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from its vicinity. They are formed by the collapse of massive stars at the end of their lives or the merging of multiple smaller black holes. Black holes have a boundary known as the event horizon, beyond which the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. The size of the event horizon depends on the mass of the black hole, with more massive black holes having larger event horizons. While black holes themselves are invisible, their presence can be detected by observing the effects of their gravity on nearby matter, such as stars and gas. The study of black holes is an active area of research in astrophysics, and they are thought to play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies and the universe as a whole. A black hole is a region of space with an incredibly strong gravitational pull that is so intense that nothing, including light, can escape from it. Black holes form from the remnants of massive stars that have exhausted their fuel and collapsed under the force of their own gravity, becoming incredibly dense and compact. The boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape is called the event horizon. The size of the event horizon is determined by the mass of the black hole. The more massive the black hole, the larger its event horizon. Black holes have been detected indirectly through their effects on nearby matter and the way they bend light, and more recently, through gravitational waves emitted by merging black holes. Despite their mysterious nature, black holes play an important role in shaping the structure and evolution of galaxies. Thank you all of you. Subscribe the channel for more updates.